Hello everyone, have you noticed difficulty in steering, or is your car's power steering suddenly not working properly? If you're seeing the P0636 code, it's an indication of a malfunction in your power steering system. Don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0636 means, the symptoms to watch out for, and the sensor locations that can help you fix the issue and get your car back to smooth driving. Let's dive in. What is P0636? The P0636 code stands for Power Steering Control Circuit Range Performance Problem. It points to a problem in the power steering system's electrical components which could be affecting how the system is performing. This malfunction can cause unexpected steering problems. It might suddenly become harder to turn the wheel, or in some cases lead to a complete loss of power steering assist. Common symptoms of P0636. Check engine light on steering feels heavy or unresponsive. Power steering warning light on unusual noises like whining or grinding from the steering system. Inconsistent steering assist, works intermittently. If you're noticing these symptoms, it's time to check the key components and pinpoint the issue. Sensor and component locations, where to find them? To properly diagnose P0636, check these critical components. Power Steering Control Module, PSCM. Location. This module is typically located near the steering column or close to the power steering pump in the engine bay. Function. The PSCM manages the electronic power steering (EPS) system and helps control steering assist. Power steering pressure sensor (PSP) sensor. Location. Located along the power steering hose, typically near the pump. Function. Monitors steering pressure and provides feedback to adjust the power steering assist. Power steering pump, for hydraulic systems. Location, mounted near the engine, typically on the front of the engine bay, driven by a belt. Function, provides hydraulic pressure to assist with steering, especially in traditional hydraulic systems. Wiring and connectors. Location, look for wiring near the PSCM, power steering pump, and steering column. Function, ensures the proper flow of electrical signals between the components, which is crucial for the proper operation of the power steering system. Common causes of P0636. Faulty Power Steering Control Module, PSCM. A malfunctioning module can cause erratic power steering performance. Damaged Power Steering Pressure Sensor, PSP sensor. If the sensor isn't functioning, it can lead to incorrect pressure readings, triggering the P0636 code. Damaged or corroded wiring. If the wiring connecting the PSCM or power steering system components is damaged, it can interrupt the signals between them. Low power steering fluid for hydraulic systems. Low fluid can cause the power steering system to malfunction and trigger the code. Power steering pump failure. A failing pump can lead to inconsistent steering assist or complete failure of power steering. How to fix P0636. Step 1. Inspect the power steering fluid level. If it's low, top it up with the correct fluid to ensure proper functioning of the system. Step 2. Check the power steering control module, PSCM. If the module is damaged or faulty, it may need to be reprogrammed or replaced. Step 3. Test the power steering pressure sensor. If the sensor is faulty, replacing it will often solve the issue. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for any signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion that could interfere with proper electrical signals. Step 5. Replace the power steering pump if applicable. If the pump is malfunctioning, replacing it may be necessary to restore full steering assist. Step 6. Reset the code. After performing the necessary repairs, clear the fault code using an obd2 scanner and test the system. Ignoring P0636 can lead to difficult or unsafe steering, so it's important to fix it as soon as possible to keep your vehicle safe to drive. For more helpful troubleshooting tips, check out these videos. P0526. Oil pressure sensor circuit malfunction. P0527. Oil pressure sensor range performance problem. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips and diagnostics.